मन के पर्दों से प्रकाश जब अवरुद्ध हो जाए, न लगे अपना कोई संसार तुमसे क्रुद्ध हो जाए। प्राणायाम, भस्त्रिका और ध्यान के बीज कुछ यूं बोएं, युगे उससे मौन और जीवन शुद्ध हो जाए। लय में सोहम के सांसों का लेना और छोड़ना, क्या पता इस कोशिश में कोई फिर से बुद्ध हो जाए। कृतज्ञता से मन को मेरे गुरुदेव यूं भर दो, वो अश्रुपूरित नेत्र और कंठ रुद्ध हो जाए।
Meditation is very important. Like we said that it is a lockdown time, and when you can't go out, go within. Meditation is like charging your soul.
You are able to balance yourself in physical activities as well as in constructive activities.
And multitasking ability comes with what you know about. That is meditation. Doing something for a few minutes in a day. And when we do that, we get so much of energy that we can manage everything in that one single day. And another thing is that when we meditate, we are able to do our tasks very fast. For example, something you take 1 hour to memorize. When you start meditating or doing some breathing techniques or some pranayam or something spiritual like what others are sharing, what happens is that we are able to finish those tasks faster than otherwise. So maybe say you take 1 hour to study something, then if you're practicing some other practices which we all are talking about, then you finish that thing within half an hour. So you're actually not wasting time doing all those practices, but investing it wisely so that you get time for all your activities throughout the day and you can give 100% to whatever you are doing.
So, and as a principal, I have experienced it. In fact, I have seen so many students sharing their experience, how this Art of Living classes and meditation has helped them in their lives to be a best human being and to be, to have all-round welfare of everything in their lives.
Also, staff members have done the basic course, and this is a regular feature that this is compulsory in a way that all the teachers have to meditate, and they have done basic course. And both of my own children are into Art of Living, and I'm so blessed that I am with Art of Living and I'm with Guruji. Guruji's grace is there. I'm blissful.
And he just hugged me and said, "Teacher ban jao." So that was in fact his message to be a teacher. And today I'm an Art of Living teacher for the last 13 years and also into education for the last 15 years.
आप अपनी साधना ना छोड़ें.
Daily meditation helps to manage our mind, and so we need to meditate daily. And there are a lot of Art of Living online courses happening right now for children, Utkarsh and Medi Yoga, and for elders, meditation and breath program. Please do join and meditate.
I've been taking these online courses also, and the feedback is, they were feeling so very claustrophobic in this lockdown period, and now it has brought them to think bigger, wider, and broader vision and plan and bring out their creativity. That's why I say that, they must meditate and do these online courses that is there from the Art of Living, which is happening regularly, and I have seen it's made an ocean of difference to many, and this is the experience they have shared with me.
Our Param Pujya Gurudev Ji is cultivating people by putting in the fertilizer and manure of Sudarshan Kriya yoga breathing technique, which is an ancient secret which has been passed on to us by our Gurudev. And we have to take it with so much gratitude and graciousness and thankfulness. And I believe that is one thing we all have to understand, that our Gurudev has just devoted his entire life bringing smiles on the faces of human beings globally and just calming and relaxing our minds. That's the crux of it.
Currently, I would like to say, if you are doing Sudarshan Kriya, you are doing the courses, or you're doing the Kriya of any age group that you have learned, then it is a PPE for your mind. No negativity will seep inside you if you are doing these practices regularly.
Start to meditate, you start to go within, और within is called in Hindi भीतर. तो मैं कहूँगा ललित जी के लिए भी स्पेशली, मैं भीतर गया, मैं भीतर गया.
क्या what I would say to all the parents is during this lockdown time, you can experience the art of living advanced meditation course and experience the power of silence. We have been talking so much to our kids and giving them instructions throughout the day that we sometimes lose the focus कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को और कैसे बोल रहे हैं. I myself did an advanced course during this time lockdown period, and I really realized that it's very important to be silent for at least 2 days in a year.
You are getting the chance also and choice also. Children must do all these courses, whatever is available.
Message to everyone who hasn't experienced Art of Living courses, they must go for it and see the wonderful journey is ahead, and let's enjoy this journey.
We should experience the power of silence during this time, and that will give an insight that where are we going wrong. And if we are going inside, as Surinder ji said, मैं भीतर गया, so it's time to go भीतर, you know.
You know that we have a lot of time at our hands, and we can try out these meditation techniques, and they're definitely going to help us. We should ensure that all the family members of ours should also learn these techniques. Thank you.
भारत का ये सनातन प्रयोग है, योग है तो हर एक निरोग है.